Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in last class we had discussed about the topic section formula and also we were solving some problems of exercise 7.2. Today I am going to proceed this exercise with question number 7. So let us move towards the topic. Exercise 7.2. Your seventh question, find the coordinate of point A where AB is diameter of circle whose center 2 minus 3 and B is 1 4. Dear students, a circle with center C whose coordinate is 2 minus 3 and B whose coordinate is 1 and 4 given. Let A be a coordinate of A, X and Y such as AB is a diameter. We know that center divides the diameter in the 1:1 ratio. So C is the midpoint of AB. So the coordinate of C are x plus 1 by 2. The coordinate of C are x plus 1 by 2 and y plus 4 by 2. But given C coordinate of C, but given the coordinate of C are 2 minus 3. So therefore x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2, x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2, such as x plus 1 equal to 2 to the 4, therefore x equal to 4 minus 1 3 and y plus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3, y plus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3, that is y plus 4 equal to minus 3 to the minus 6, therefore y equal to minus 6 or minus 4, minus 10, therefore the coordinate of A is 3 minus 10. So next question is, yes students, your question 8 is, if A and B are minus 2 minus 2 and B 2 minus 4 respectively, find the coordinate by P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lie on the line segment AB. Dear students, AB is a line segment whose coordinate is A minus 2 minus 2 and B 2 minus 4. A point P divides the line segment whose coordinate is x, y. Since AP equal to 3 by 7 AB, therefore AB by AP equal to 7 by 3 and AB equal to AP plus PB. AP plus PB by AP equal to 7 by 3. So AP by AP plus PB by AP equal to 7 by 3 or AP by AP 1 plus PB by AP equal to 7 by 3. Therefore PB by AP equal to 7 by 3 minus 1 or PB by AP equal to 7 minus 3 4 by 3. So our AP by PB equal to 3/4. So a point P whose coordinate is xy, divide the line segment is 3:4. But given let PXY be the point. Let PXY be the point which divides the line segment AB, line segment AB let PXY be the point which divide the line segment AB whose line segment A -2 and B 2 - 4 in the ratio 3:4. 3:4. Dear friends, therefore x equal to mx2 that is 2 plus mx1 plus dear friends, x equal to mx2 plus mx1 mx2 plus nx1 4 into -2 by m plus n, that is 3 into 2 6 minus 8/7, that is -2/7, and y equal to my2 plus ny1 -2 by m plus n is equal to -12 minus 8/7 equal to -20/7. So hence the point of point PR -27 and -27. And next question is question 9. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining A -2 2 and B 2 8 into 4 equal parts. Dear friends, AB is a line segment whose coordinate is -2 2 and 2 8. P1, P2, P3 divide the line segment in equal parts. So dear friends, so P2 divide the line segment AB is in the same ratio such as 1:1. That means P2 is the midpoint of AB. First you find P2, after that P1 and P3. So the coordinate of point P2 is -2 plus 2, -2 plus 2 by 2, and 2 plus 8 by 2, that is P2 is -2 plus 2, 0 by 2, 0, and 2 plus 8, 10 by 2, 5. So coordinate of point P2 is 0, 5. Now P1 is the midpoint of A and P2. So since P1 divides the line segment into line segment AP2, line segment AP2 into 2 equal parts. So the coordinate of P1 is, therefore coordinate of P1, sorry, P3, here P2, coordinate of point P1, that is the midpoint of A P2 is -2 plus 0, -2 plus 0 by 2, and 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 by 2, that is P1 is equal to -2 plus 0, -2 by 2, -1, and 7 by 2. Similarly, coordinate point P3 is midpoint of P2B. Similarly, the coordinate of P3, that is midpoint of P2B, are (0 plus 2 by 2) and 5 plus 8 by 2, that is P3 equal to 0 plus 2 by 2, 1, 5 plus 8, 13 by 2. Hence, find the coordinate of the points to divide the line segment. So, hence, the points are P1. So, P1 is -1, 7 by 2, P2 0, 5, P3 1, 13 by 2. Hence the points are P1, P2, P3 divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. And next and last question is, question number 10 is, find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, 1. This one ABCD is a rhombus. So find the area of rhombus. A 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, 1. We know that area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 product of its diagonals. So first you find length of diagonals AC. Using distance formula, minus 1 plus 3 square plus 4 minus 0 square unit, that is minus 1 plus 3, 2 square 4 and 4 square 16, so 20, 4 5 are 20, that is 2 root 5, and diagonals BD equal to under root BD minus 2 plus 4 square plus minus 1 minus student x2 minus x1, so minus 2 minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5 square is equal to minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 square 36 plus minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 36 72 36 to जाए, that means 6 root 2. So area of rhombus equal to area of rhombus 1 by 2 product of its diagonals. So 1 by 2 into product of diagonals, that means AC into BD, that is 1 by 2 and AC equal to minus 1, sorry student, AC minus 1 minus 3, not plus 3. So minus 4 square 16. 16, 32, that is 16 into 2, 4 root 2. So AC 4 root 2 into BD 6 root 2 square unit, that is 1 by 2. So root 2 into root 2, 2 cancel, 4 6 are 24 square unit. So dear students, area of rhombus equal to 24 square unit. So today's class is over and your homework is all questions of exercise 7.2. So do exercise 7.2. Thanks, have a nice day.